Hello everyone, today again we are starting with our topic reducing agents, and today we are taking another reducing agent. It's a very important, like to be LiLH4. Its name is sodium boron hydrides, NaBH4. So NaBH4 is also a weak reducing agent. Generally it is strong as well as weak is also. The weak because it is not able to reduce some kind of the functional groups, but it is capable to reduce the aldehyde as well as the ketone into the alcoholic functional groups. Okay, so why it is a weak reducing agent comparison to this lithium aluminum hydrides? If you are comparing LiAlH4 with NaBH4, so in case of LiAlH4 the size of aluminium is bigger comparisons to this if you are talking about the boron. So they are able to easily liberate hydrogen from itself. So those who are able to give easily H negative ion, they are behaving like a strong reducing agent due to the size of aluminium. But what happened? The size of the boron is small. If the size of the atom is small, its nucleus holding power is very high. So it is not capable to easily liberate H negative ion in case of acid or ester. जबकि क्या होता है, if we want to reduce the ester and acid, we need immediately H negative ions. So it is not possible in case of the NaBH4 due to the size of the boron is very small. So it's generally showing you a covalent character. But here the size of the aluminium is bigger, so it is easily to remove the H negative ion from aluminium. So that's why that in case of LiLH4 they easily liberating hydride ion, behaving like a strong reducing agent, and it is capable to reduce ester, acid, aldehyde, ketones, cyclic ester, lactones, cyanide, nitrile, everything immediately. Okay, but what happened in case of the sodium boron hydrides? Due to the size and covalent behavior of the borons, it has capacity to reduce only few kind of the functional group like ketone as well as the aldehyde into the OH functional group. Or we say the NaBH4 is also behaving like to be a chemoselective reducing agent. Chemoselective reducing agent means if any compound have two functional group as well as ester and aldehyde, so NaBH4 is only capable to reduce aldehyde, they are not reducing ester due to its leaving power or weak power. So that's why only affecting the aldehyde, not affecting to the another functional group, that is known as the chemoselectivity. So on the behalf of its chemoselectivity, they have its own specific uses and generally using in the different kinds of chemical reactions take place in our surrounding atmosphere as well as inside the labs. They have also some pharmaceuticals applications. How it is preparing? So sodium boron hydride is generally prepared by the reactions of metal hydride. Okay, the reactions of metal hydride with boron methyl oxide (OMe4 trans). So that bond is broken by this hydrogens. Okay, so they're giving you sodium methoxides, it giving you thrice NaOMe molecules, and generally the hydrogens and for this attached with the borons are giving you NaBH. Okay, so that reaction is take place. So with the help of by using sodium hydride, we are generally preparing our very important reducing agent. This is known as the sodium boron hydride. What is a specific feature? It is insoluble in ether, but it is soluble in case of alcohol. So that's why if we are using the sodium boron hydride, at that time we are taking a proper solvent of, or we say hydroxy solvent of ethyl alcohol. So in this medium the sodium boron hydride is capable to easily lose their H negative ions and showing its reducing properties. So these are the few informations related to that NaBH4. Now we are going for the different kinds of application reactions in case of sodium boron hydride. So see guys, the sodium boron hydride is also affecting your double bonds, but they have certain conditions. So due to this specific behaviors, we generally using these different kinds of industrial area. So what we taught you, the NaBH4 is behaving like to be a chemoselective. Chemoselective means if two functional group is there, so NaBH4 is only affecting to the one functional groups. specific functional groups, not to the another functional groups. Okay, so then we are going for the reactions. Suppose we have a compounds like this one, COO or ET, and we have also a ketone. So this is a compounds in which a ester group is also available and the ketone group is also available. And if we are taking the NaBH4, so we already taught you the ester required a more hydride ion immediately in the solution due to the availability of this resonance. This resonance is stabilizing this whole compounds and they require immediately H negative ion. And you know, due to the poor liberating natures of this boron, they are not able to provide H negative ion immediately. So what happened? ये नहीं कि reduce नहीं होगा, reduce होगा, but they require different temperature. At the normal temperature, this compound is not able to reduce this ester, so they are only capable to reduce this ketone. So we are getting different compounds. These functional group as well as remain same, and it is only affecting to this ketone. So that is a chemoselectivity. That reaction is a chemoselective reactions in which only one functional group or a specific functional group is affected by the sodium boron hydride groups. Okay, so this one is the reactions. This another reactions I'm showing you. So few reactions is also here. So if we are taking the another examples, that is CHO and double bond O. So here the aldehyde group is also here and ketonic group is also here. So if we are adding the NaBH4, okay, minus 15 degrees Celsius, so they are affecting the both functional group because NaBH4 is showing us specific reactions with aldehyde as well as the ketone. At that time, the both kind of functional group is affecting and converting into this alcoholic functional groups. Okay, so it means the NaBH4 is generally using for aldehyde as well as the ketone. In case of non-boron compounds, they have also some specific examples. In case of non-borons, that is a non-boron rings, here is a ketone. So if you want to just converting into this alcohol, so here we are also using NaBH4 in the presence of isobutyl alcohol. It is a solvent. We already taught you because NaBH4 easily dissolve in alcohol, so we always require a solvent, that is butyl alcohol. Okay, so at that time this ketonic group is affecting by this NaBH4. It's converting into this O and H. Okay, so that is giving you such type of compounds. So it's behaving like a specific use for the reductions of ketone as well as the aldehyde. The next reactions I am showing you in the next step. It's reaction mechanisms. Suppose we have C double bond O or CH3. This one is a ketone. Here we are taking sodium boron hydrides. The structure of boron hydride is BH, NaBH4H, boron having a negative charge, and this is attached with Na positive. So that is a boron hydride. The boron always giving you is decomposed into BH3, boron have vacant orbital, and giving you H negative hydride. This is known as the hydride. They are behaving like a Lewis acid and is a negative. The BH3 O having a lone pair of electron, so due to the absence of the vacant orbital, it moving toward this lone pair of electron. In the next step, this one is CH3. The BH3 is attached with this O, and O contains the charge positive because it's established at 3 bonds and the pulling electron on towards. At the same time, when the electron moving upside, the negative charge is attacking on downside. Okay. In the next step, you are getting, that one is BH3, CH3 and H. And the last step we are going for the workout. ये हो सकता है बोरॉन इज ऑल्सो, यहाँ पे हम और रिएजेंट डालकर इसको हम 3 मॉलिक्यूल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे हम रिएक्शन पे स्टॉप कर रहे हैं. So we are using for the workout. Workout means here we are using water, H positive, OH negative. So bond is decomposed from here. O is negative, BH3 is positive. So OH moving is toward BH3 and H is moving toward O negative. And here we are getting a product. That product is CH3, HCH3, and this O is taking H, so it's converting into OH. So that is the general mechanism. It's showing a similar kind of mechanisms as shown by the lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so that is a general mechanism. Same mechanisms take place in all type of aldehyde and ketone when they are doing the reactions with the NaBH4. So these are the two reactions, type of reactions in which we have shown you the properties of and selectivity of these functional groups and which type of functional group is affected by the NaBH4. See, generally NaBH4 is not affecting double bonds, but if we are taking in case of some nitro compounds, is affected by the 1,4 Michael additions. Michael addition is a kind of name reaction. So here we are taking and giving you examples of reduction of double bonds. So that this topic is reduction of double bonds. How does the double bond is affected by NaBH4? That one is a phenyl ring. This one is N double bond O, O negative. Here is a double bond is available, guys. Okay. So here we are taking any hydroxyl groups, 2 hydroxyl groups here we are taking. और आप चाहें तो इस हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं ताकि रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट ना करें. इनके प्रोटेक्शंस के लिए आप डायोल लेते हैं. डायोल क्या होता है? 1,2 डायोल, यू नो, ग्लाइकॉल जिसे आप कहते हैं, OH and OH. Here H is reacting with OH is reacting with H and OH is reacting with H. तो ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा? ये दोनों फंक्शनल ग्रुप को हम कैप्चर कर लेंगे और प्रोटेक्ट कर लेंगे ताकि ये रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट ना कर पाए और दे आर नॉट अफेक्टेड. सो दिस O combined with this carbon, okay, they are highly protected. In the next step what we are doing, this is N double bond O and O negative. See guys, what is a 1,4 addition? That one is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 1,4 type of addition, Michael addition. So what happened here? We are taking NaBH4. आपको पता है NaBH4 कैसे लिखता है? It giving you BH3 positive and H negative. Okay. So what happened here? The negative is attacking on 4th position. Due to the repulsions of this negative charge, this bond is moving here, and due to this repulsion, this bond is moving here. Okay. So what happened in your next step? We are going to draw the same kinds of compounds here. Just showing the arrow on this side. This one is benzene. That alcohol is already highly protected. Okay. इसके protect कर दिया था आपने उसको. In the next step you are taking. This is N. It's moving here. The oxygen is carrying a negative charge. It is already negative. This double bond is moving here. Then here a hydrogen is attached. In the next step, we already taught you that reaction is take place in the presence of alcoholic medium, okay, hydroxyl medium. So here we are taking ethyl alcohol, C2H5O and H. Then what happened? This double bond is moving here, and this double bond is taking one proton from here. Okay, इस डबल बॉन्ड ने क्या करा? हाइड्रोजन ले लिया अल्कोहल से. So it is giving you, अब आपको देखिए क्या मिला? डबल बॉन्ड्स. ये तो प्रोटेक्ट है इधर. इस साइड देखिए क्योंकि हमारा मेन प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे बनना है. दिस वन, इस डबल बॉन्ड ने ओपन होकर हाइड्रोजन कैप्चर किया था एंड ये बना डबल बॉन्ड O, दैट इज O नेगेटिव. यहाँ पे जुड़ा था आपका एक H और यहाँ पे जो दिया था प्रोटॉन एक H. सो डबल बॉन्ड क्या हो गया, डिसअपियर. एंड दैट रिएक्शन इज 1,4 एडिशन, क्योंकि दैट इज 1 2 3 4 1,4 पोजीशन से ये क्या हुआ, इनिशिएट हुआ है. सो दैट इज अ 1,4 Michael addition type of reaction. So that is a reaction, and that is a properties due to the available of this withdrawing groups. The double bond is totally reduced by NaBH4. So that is the use of NaBH4 is also affecting the double bond in certain conditions when the double bond is always with conjugation with any electron withdrawing groups, certain kind of nitro groups. So we are capable to reduce or disappear the double bonds from any compounds. तो ये double bond गाइड करने में भी या उसके reductions में भी क्या है, helpful. See in the case of another reactions, that is the alpha beta unsaturated compounds. Okay. Then again we are talking about the alpha beta unsaturated ketones. In examples of the use of NaBH4 in alpha beta unsaturated ketone. So what happens in case of the alpha beta unsaturated ketones? They performing the different types of reactions. I am giving you example of alpha beta unsaturated ketone. That one is the best example. Okay. So that is the alpha beta. Alpha beta function group के nearest है alpha beta unsaturated. Unsaturated means double bond, and that one is ketone. So here we are performing the reactions of NaBH4. Okay. So they giving you two kind of reactions. So see how it is possible. यहाँ पे दो तरह की reactions possible हैं. The first type of 1,4 addition and another type of 1,2 addition. But guys, the 1,2 addition giving you a main product, the 1,4 always giving you a minor product. They always giving you a minor product. They giving you to a major product. Okay. So the reaction, how does the reaction is take place? If we are talking about the 1,2 additions, what does it mean 1,2 addition reactions? See, the reaction is take place in the presence of NaBH4, और आपको पता है NaBH4 हमेशा किस तरह से डिकम्पोज होता है, BH3 positive and your H negative. So that is 1 2 3 4. अभी मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था इससे पहले नाइट्रो कंपाउंड के केस में. So here the negative charge is attacking in second position, and this bond is going upward position, and this positive attacking on this O negative. ये positive है तो negative पे अटैक करेगा, ये negative है तो O के साथ जो कार्बन जुड़ा है इस इलेक्ट्रॉन withdrawing तो इस pulling electron and that carbon carrying a positive charge. So they giving, so addition देखिए कहाँ पे हुआ, 1 2 positions पे, 3 और 4 तो affect ही नहीं हुआ. So that's why it is a 1,2 addition reaction. So see what happened in case the double bond remain as well as same, they are not affected by this reagent. So the O is attached with this BH3, and at that root, at that carbon atom, one hydrogen is attached. Okay. Then we are doing workout. Workout means hydrolysis. In hydrolysis, the bond is decomposed from here. O is negative, BH3 is positive. So guys, H is attacking on the oxygen and OH negative attacking on this BH3. So BH3 to OH के साथ reduce हो जाएगा. H is attached here. So we are getting a product, and the product is unsaturated alcohol. That is a major product by which addition? 1,2 addition reaction, and that product is which product? Major product. Okay. But if the same reaction is take place with the help of 1,4 addition, अब इसी को 1,4 addition से कराते हैं. Okay. In case of the 1,4, how does same as NaBH4 is decomposed into BH3 as well as H negative. So here the negative is attacking on 4th position. Double bond is going here and this electron is going here. ओके. अब देखिए एक तो फोर्थ अफेक्ट हुई, एक फर्स्ट अफेक्ट हुई, इसीलिए इसको आप क्या बोलेंगे, 1,4 addition, like to be a which type of reactions? Michael addition reaction. These reactions are very important for your examination purpose and competitive examination. So we are getting here the hydrogen is attached, double bond is moving here, it's moving here negative, and this negative attached with BH3 positive. यहाँ से क्या जुड़ गया आपका BH3. सी गाइस, ये रिएक्शन किस में होनी थी? इथाइल अल्कोहल मीडियम्स में. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया है क्योंकि ये अल्कोहल में सॉल्युबल होता है, so that's why we are taking ethyl alcoholic mediums. Here the negative is moving downside. This negative attacking on this hydrogen. ये क्या करता है? अल्कोहल के मीडियम से हाइड्रोजन ले लेता है. सो देखिए क्या मिला आपको. O is forming a double bonds. ये टूट जाता है. It's giving you double bonds O. Double bond is taking one hydrogen. So here one hydrogen is attached. Here one hydrogen. It's only giving you cyclic ketone. We are getting a cyclic ketone by 1,4 addition reaction, and that product is minor product. So here the reaction is following according to the 1,2 addition, not to be 1,4 addition. तो ये एक selectivity है कि reaction हमेशा कहाँ से follow होगी? 1,2 addition से, not to be 1,4 addition से, because the 1,2 addition is giving you a stable conjugated product. But here we are not getting any stable. अगर आप इसको फिर से NaBH4 डालेंगे ना, if again you are taking NaBH4, then NaBH4 क्या करता है? कीटोन को reduce करेगा, it giving you a alcohol. That is also a minor product. Also a minor product. Okay. So that is a way. How does we reduce the double bond? तो हमेशा डबल बॉन्ड जैसे नाइट्रो ग्रुप था तो उसने रिड्यूस करा, इसके बगल में कीटोन है तो रिड्यूस करेगा. Okay. That is a specific kind of reaction. So that is the reaction. See, we are using and modifying the nature of the reagent. अब इसी के केस में रिएक्शन को मॉडिफाई करना है. Done. I'm just going to out all these things. So in the next step, we are using a very important reagent by modifying the power of NaBH4. So we are adding here a very important hard Lewis compound, that is cerium chloride. If we are adding CCl3.7H2O in NaBH4 solution, अगर मैं NaBH4 के साथ CCl cerium trichloride heptahydrated डालूं, so that reagent is known as the Luchase reagent. That reagent is known as the Luchase reagent. So what happened in case of the Luchase reagent? Here also the 1,2 addition is a major product. They are not giving according to 1,4, they always giving you 1,2, और 1,2 के अकॉर्डिंग आपको क्या मिला था वो देख लीजिए. So if the same kind of reaction is take place by adding, अगर आप केवल सिंपल NaBH4 जब आपने डाला था in ethyl alcohol medium, so आपको क्या मिला था? At that time you are getting that is OH. Okay, आपको ये मिला था, and और उसके साथ साथ क्या मिला था? 1,4 के अकॉर्डिंग ये भी मिला था. तो ये क्या था? मेजर था और ये क्या था? माइनर. So if the reaction is take place with NaBH4 and ethyl alcohol, you are getting product and byproduct also. Okay, but if you are using Luchase reagent like NaBH4, at the same time you are adding cerium trichloride, then you are not getting byproduct and you are getting only a major product. Only major product 99%. Here we are getting 89% and rest of all minor product. So by using the Luchase reagents, they have capacity to give only you a product. They are not giving you any byproduct. That is a specific character of cerium chloride. Actually what happened? The cerium chloride is highly sensitive toward the aldehyde groups. They easily form a chelating. Chelating means a complex with aldehyde group and protect the aldehyde group. At that time, NaBH4 is not affecting aldehyde group. I am showing you that reaction after that. But always remember the name of that reagents. If in your examination they have mentioned the cerium trichloride with heptahydrated molecule, so guys, it means it behaving like a Luchase reagent. They are not giving you any kind of the byproduct. They are giving you only a single product. Okay. See, in case of what is the another function of the Luchase reagents, that is the last part of our lecture. Here we are talking about the Luchase reagents. So, in case of the Luchase reagents, suppose I have a compound, Okay, this compound having the ketone groups as well as the aldehyde groups, and here we are adding NaBH4 in the presence of ethyl alcohol. अगर केवल आप इसमें NaBH4 आपको दिया है एग्जाम्स में, and same reaction is also take place, the same reaction is also take place in the presence of NaBH4 and cerium trichloride 7H2. This is known as the Leuchase reagent. So in that case, when we are only taking NaBH4, the NaBH4 affecting aldehyde also and ketonic functional group also, and converting into, आप mechanisms मैंने आपको पढ़ा दिया, आप same mechanisms से इनको reduce कर सकते हैं. They giving you a such product. It converting into OH. That one is also converting into CH2 and OH. So here the both functional group is converting into alcohol. But what happens if you are using Leuchase reagents? What is the speciality of the Leuchase reagent? The Leuchase is only capable to form a complex with aldehyde. यहाँ पे जो cerium trichloride होता है वो aldehyde group, not ketone, aldehyde group के साथ एक complex बनाता है, जिससे ये प्रोटेक्ट हो जाता है, जिससे NaBH4 इसको तो अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा, केवल किसको अफेक्ट करेगा? कीटोन को. That is also a kind of chemoselectivity. अगर आप दोनों को ही गायब करना चाहते हैं, अल्कोहल में कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो you only use the NaBH4. But if you only reduce the ketonic group not to be aldehyde, so you use cerium chloride. So cerium chloride forming a layer, a complex with aldehyde group. So at that time NaBH4 is not affecting to aldehyde, only affecting to this ketone, and our product is only affecting ketone. This one. The aldehyde remain as well as same. देखिए selectivity है, इससे ही करना था तो वही करा, बट उसके लिए ये दिया. What is the function of this reagent? They forming a complex with aldehyde and protect this aldehyde by forming a layer. So NaBH4 is not affecting to the aldehyde. NaBH4 is only affecting to the ketone. That is the function of Leuchase reagents. That is the product of the given reaction. The same reactions I am giving you the another example is also. So guys, always remember the selectivity. Okay. So that is the selectivity is a very important for us, because they confusing or examiner confusing always you by giving a certain kind of reagents. So the next reaction example is that is the reactions. Okay, that is aldehyde and that one is ketonic functional groups. Suppose if you are taking Leuchase reagents in the presence of NaBH4 as well as cerium trichloride and 7H2O, and if you are using only the sodium boron hydride at the normal medium and ethyl alcoholic solution, this reaction is taking place minus 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what happened? Leuchase reagent is helpful to protect aldehyde and only affecting to this ketone. So what is the product? At that time you are taking a product, it's like क्योंकि aldehyde को Leuchase ने protect करा है, तो is remain as well as same. Only the ketonic groups is converting into this alcoholic group. Okay, that is structure कैसा ही क्यों ना हो, but function group पे ध्यान देना. And by using NaBH4 is affecting both kind of functional group, and your product is OH CH2. The broad line towards the observer. This is CH3 is affecting the both sides. Okay guys, so always follow. And the last example of the chemoselectivity, we are again modifying and nature of this compounds. Okay, suppose अगर आपके functional group में amide भी है और ester भी है, I am giving you example. You have amide also, and you have ester is also. if you have amide as well as ester and we are adding NaBH4, अगर केवल NaBH4 डालेंगे और क्या लेंगे CaCl2 calcium chloride, so that is a kind of the reducing agent in which we are taking the amide as well as the esteric group. So what happened in that case, they affecting only the one part of the compounds. Okay, so they affecting only in presence of calcium chloride, they only affecting this ester part. So what happened here, it is converting whole ester into alcohol. The product is this amide remain as well as same NH2, that is this is CH2 and OH. This is also example of the chemo selectivity. Chemical selective, कौन सा select करें, कौन सा reduce करें. So here the after the adding the calcium chloride in NaBH4, they only affecting to the ester group, is not affecting to the amide groups. That is the basic feature of this NaBH4. That's why this type of compound is generally using for the reductions of different kinds of compound. In some time the examiner is giving you a big structure and totally confusing you and saying find out the product, and you are confusing when the compound is too big a structure. I am giving you one example. Suppose the examiner is giving you such type of structure. Okay, this one, and lots of methyl group is here, and here is also the that one is ketone. Here we are using ET. So that is a ether, ester, and that one is aldehyde. If we are giving you NaBH4, so you know NaBH4, the NaBH4 has selectivity. They are not reducing ester, they are only reducing aldehyde. तो ये aldehyde इसमें convert होगा आपका alcohol में, have no problem. So that's why I am saying always focus on the applications of NaBH4. The NaBH4 is capable to reduce aldehyde into alcohol, ketone into alcohol. Sometimes ester is also, but critical condition. Double bond is also okay. Triple bond is also okay. Sometimes amide is also in a specific condition. So today we have done our sodium boron hydride. It's a very important like to be a lithium aluminum hydride. Thank you.